magical forest, relax, breathe. Let the enchanting sounds and sights wash over you as we embark on a journey through this AI-generated fantasy world. Close your eyes and imagine yourself surrounded by glowing trees, their luminescent leaves casting a soft, ethereal light all around you. Gentle fireflies dance in the air, their tiny lights pulsing in rhythm with the forest's heartbeat. As you settle in, feel the tension melt away from your body. Listen closely to the soothing sounds of water flowing nearby, its gentle gurgle a constant. Calming presence, the leaves rustle softly in the breeze, whispering ancient secrets only the forest knows. Can you hear the delicate tinkling of magical wind chimes? They sing a melody of peace and tranquility carried on the cool night air. Now, let's begin our relaxation journey. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel your body becoming heavier, sinking deeper into comfort with each breath. We'll count together, slowly and softly. 1. Exhale all your worries. 2. Let your muscles relax. 3. Feel a wave of calm wash over you. The forest seems to breathe with you, its magic pulsing in time with your heartbeat. 4, 5, 6. With each number, you drift further into a state of peaceful relaxation. The soft glow of the trees grows warmer, more comforting. 7, 8, 9. Fireflies swirl in lazy patterns, their light becoming softer, dreamier. As we reach 10, imagine yourself floating gently, weightless and worry-free. The forest cradles you in its magical embrace. Every sound and sight designed to deepen your relaxation. The water's flow seems to whisper reassurances, telling you that all is well, that you are safe here in this fantastical realm. Let your mind wander through the glowing trees, exploring the wonders of this AI-created world. Perhaps you'll discover a hidden glade, where moonflowers bloom and stardust falls like gentle rain. Or maybe you'll find a crystal clear pool, its surface reflecting the twinkling lights above, inviting you to dip your toes into its rejuvenating waters. As we continue our journey, feel free to let go of any remaining tension. The magical wind chimes play a lullaby just for you, their notes weaving a tapestry of calm around your mind. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in the forest's enchanted air, filled with the scent of night-blooming flowers and sweet earthy moss. 4, 5, 6. The leaves rustle a little louder now, as if the trees themselves are sighing contentedly. 7, 8, 9. The fireflies gather closer, their soft light forming patterns and shapes that dance behind your closed eyelids. 10. You are completely at peace, enveloped in the forest's magical aura. As our time in this fantastical world draws to a close, know that you can return here whenever you need a moment of calm. The forest will always be here, waiting to welcome you back with its soothing sounds and mesmerizing sights. The AI-generated visuals may fade, but the feeling of tranquility they've inspired will linger. Take one last deep breath, savoring the magical atmosphere. As you slowly become aware of your surroundings once more, carry with you the peace and relaxation you found here. Remember, this enchanted forest exists within your mind, a sanctuary you can visit anytime you need to escape and unwind. Sleep peacefully, you're safe. Here, let the gentle sounds of the forest lull you into a deep, restful slumber. The glowing trees will watch over you, the soft light a comforting night light. The fireflies will dance in your dreams, guiding you to realms of wonder and imagination. As you drift off, know that this AI fantasy world ASMR experience has been crafted especially for you, blending the best of technology with the timeless comfort of nature's sounds. The whispering voice, the flowing water, the rustling leaves, and the magical wind chimes will continue to play softly in your subconscious, ensuring a night of sweet dreams and rejuvenating rest. Tomorrow, you'll awaken refreshed, carrying a spark of the forest magic with you into your day. Until we meet again in this enchanted realm, may your world be filled with moments of peace and wonder. Good night, dear listener, and sweet dreams in your own magical forest.